Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine and doing well. Welcome to this video where we will be learning an important and very useful skill, how to edit a PDF file. As you know, PDF is one of the most common formats used for sharing documents because of its professional look and universal compatibility. However, many people face challenges when it comes to making changes in PDF files, such as editing text, adding or removing images, inserting signatures, or updating layouts. In this lesson, I will guide you step by step on how to bring changes to a PDF file using simple and effective methods. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to professionally edit and manage PDF documents with ease. So, stay with me till the end and let's get started. Here we have a PDF file, so let's go ahead and open it to begin the editing process. As you can see, when we try to remove the text, it doesn't work directly because PDF files are not designed for simple text editing like Word documents. Similarly, if we try to add new text, that also doesn't work in a straightforward way. This is why we need to use specific tools or software to make changes effectively. The first step is to open the Google Chrome browser. We will be using Chrome because it provides a built-in feature that allows us to view and make some basic changes to PDF files without the need for additional software. So, let's go ahead and open Chrome to get started with the process. Next, please navigate to your search bar and type Online PDF Editor to find the tools we'll be using. Next, scroll down through the search results carefully and look for Canva. Once you locate it, click on Canva to open the platform, as we will be using it to edit and customize our PDF file efficiently. Now, on the Canva platform, look for the option that says Upload your PDF. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows us to import our PDF document directly into Canva, so we can begin making edits, adjustments, and any necessary changes with ease. Now, locate the PDF file that you want to edit, and click on it to open. By opening the file within Canva, we can access all of its content and start making the necessary changes efficiently and accurately. Now, as you can see, once the PDF is open, we have full flexibility to edit it. We can add new text or remove existing text, adjust the font size to make it larger or smaller, change the text color, and apply many other formatting options. Additionally, we can make text bold, italicize it, underline it, and apply other text styles to enhance the document's appearance. These features give us complete control to customize the PDF, ensuring it looks professional, polished, and well organized. Now that we have finished editing, the next step is to download the updated PDF file to your computer. This will save all the changes we made, allowing you to use or share the document as needed. The download has now been completed. Let's go ahead and open the edited PDF file so we can carefully review it and compare it with the original version. This will allow us to see all the changes we made, including text edits, formatting adjustments, and any other improvements, ensuring that the document meets our expectations and looks professional. Now, let's open the original PDF file and compare it side by side with the edited version. By doing this, we can clearly observe all the modifications we have made, such as text updates, formatting changes, and other enhancements, ensuring that our edited document looks polished, professional, and exactly as intended. As you can see, all the changes we made in the PDF are clearly visible. From editing text and adjusting fonts to changing colors and applying formatting styles, we have covered all the essential steps to effectively edit a PDF online. This concludes our tutorial on online PDF editing. I hope you found this lesson helpful and that it empowers you to confidently make changes to your own PDF documents whenever needed.